Good morning, everyone. This is Nikki at Vannabucosmetics.com. I'm here just to give you a quick tutorial on how we are making her 9th birthday celebration lip gloss pom-pom keychains. I already did a couple. As you can see, these are all the colors that we are um, loading up on the site this weekend. These will be available. So this is chocolate brown, this is a light gray, this is a baby pink. We have white and a dark gray. And we have a rose pink and a navy blue. Okay, so today I'm going to be using this white cream, sorry. So what you're going to do, you're going to need your pom-poms. You're going to need a key ring with the chain connected, some claps, and your jump rings. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take your pom-pom, you're going to find that middle part that has the elastic. Okay, can you see that? Right, once you find the elastic, you're going to take your jump ring and you're going to connect it to that elastic. Okay, see it? Now what you're going to do next is you're going to take your key ring with the chains on it and you're going to connect it to the jump ring, and then you're going to take your pliers and you're going to close that up because you don't want that coming off. Alright, so it's closed. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Now you're going to take your clasp and you're going to either attach it to this jump ring. There's three ways you can do it. You could attach it here, you can attach it up here to this jump ring, or you can attach it straight to the key ring, and that's what we're going to do. So what you're going to do is open up your key ring. It opens up, put it on there, and you're done.